Why convert ePUB to PDF?
ePUB files are popular for eBooks, but not all devices or apps support them. Converting ePUB to PDF ensures you can read your ebook on virtually any device, including computers, tablets, and smartphones. PDF format also preserves layout and fonts, making it ideal for printing or sharing securely. Let's explore how you can make this conversion quickly and at no cost.
Choosing a free online converter.
Several free online tools convert ePUB to PDF with just a few clicks. Trusted sites like Zamzar, Online Convert, and ePUB to PDF Converter offer user-friendly interfaces and do not require software installation. Before choosing, check for file size limits and ensure the site keeps your files private and secure.
How to convert ePUB to PDF online.
Start by visiting your chosen converter website. Upload your ePUB file using the provided button or drag and drop area. Select the output format as PDF if prompted. Click Convert or Start. The site will process your file and generate a secure download link for your new PDF. Download and save your file once the conversion is complete.
Tips for best results.
For smoother conversion, ensure your ePUB file isn't protected by DRM, Digital Rights Management. Try to use a stable internet connection, especially with larger files. Review the PDF output to confirm that images, formatting, and fonts appear as expected. If issues arise, testing with another converter can help achieve better results.
Using converted PDFs.
Your new PDF can be opened in any standard PDF reader, such as Adobe Acrobat Reader, Preview on Mac, or browser-based viewers. You can share, print, or annotate your ebook with ease. This simple conversion process extends the accessibility of your content across platforms and devices, without the need to purchase extra software.